Welcome to the Product Spotlight. I'm Anjali and I'm walking you through 8 updates from October. These 8 enhancements are from across 3 products and are aligned with the mission to build structured sales processes and empower SDRs to focus only on calling and also efficiently manage all non-selling tasks. So let's dive right in. We recently launched SDRX, an AI SDR that works in autopilot. Imagine automating all of your intensive tasks and focusing only on calls and engaging warm prospects. SDRX executes prospecting, research, email personalization, and email outbound strategy. First, it identifies your ideal customer profile and your value proposition. Next, it creates a list of best fit accounts and enriches details, eliminating time spent on research. It then sends personalized emails to hundreds of prospects and follows them up based on their buying journey. While SDRX executes prospecting, research, and outreach on autopilot, you can focus on perfecting your calls. A parallel dialer is a tool that helps sales reps dial multiple prospects at the same time. It simultaneously calls up to 5 prospects, detects between voicemail and human responses to avoid any idle time between calls. The parallel dialer got a makeover in October. We've introduced a brand new user interface and an update that helps you separate your lists into callable and non-callable lists. This helps you avoid any invalid or duplicate numbers. While using the dialer, you can check time zone, the current time of the prospect you're calling, if they have multiple numbers, and how often you previously contacted them. Coming to the power dialer, you can now use this dialer for Indian numbers. With recent regulations that have made it challenging for most sales engagement platforms to connect with Indian numbers, Clenty's dialing solution offers the power and click-to-call dialer for Indian phone numbers. Since manually dialing each prospect is tedious and time-consuming, a power dialer removes those unproductive minutes and shifts your focus to talk time. Managers can now track these calls with advanced dashboards that have 20+ metrics and cover calls, emails, tasks, accounts, and prospects. You can track specific metrics for each of these, such as calls completed, tasks completed, and accounts contacted. Clenty offers account-based sales engagement, a feature that engages with multiple stakeholders from within a single account using tailored messaging. After finding and engaging with your prospects, you can monitor their interactions with your SDRs using the timeline view. With this view, you can drill down into accounts and prospects. You can get detailed insights such as when an email was sent, when an email was opened, when you've received a response, and how long an interaction has been idle. And finally, for Salesforce users, we've introduced bidirectional sync. When you update a field in Clenty, it automatically gets updated to Salesforce and vice versa. With these automated syncs, you can avoid double data entry across 2 platforms. Whether you're including AI in your outreach or increasing human rep productivity in high-touch outbound, Clenty has all the tools to increase your sales pipeline. So book your demo today.